Hello, I'm Richard Raffan. When I'm finishing the bottom of things like this little round bottom pot, I need to jam them between centres. It's the safest way of doing it. And in order to make this one, I needed to make a chuck extension, which is this. And that's what you're going to see in this video. It's basically a tube with a shoulder on it and a bit of non-slip cloth on the end. But people ask me how you make these things, so this is what you're going to see. Going too hard. That's what it should sound like. Long point down. So I've just made this and stuck a bit of non-slip cloth on the top. There's a little shoulder there, so that goes into the chuck and trues it up. This now comes over there. Tailstock comes up, locked down, and a small bit of MDF goes into there. And that prevents the cone of the tail center getting through onto the wood, which you probably wouldn't want. So get that running pretty well true. So if you have the end of the bit coming out of the chuck exactly the same shape as the bottom, then you can put whatever press you like. But generally you just need to get it tight enough just to hold it in place. And I've got a few little scratch marks to get rid of here, which I hope will go with the 240 grit. So jamming things between centres really is quite easy once you get the hang of it, especially when you're set up for it. It saves messing around with vacuum chucks and things like this. Vacuum chuck wouldn't be too bad here because this is still round. But if you've got anything with holes in it, with splits, this is a very good way or variations with to chuck them up.